The fact that this item has 4+ days of battery life is amazing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Fitbit unboxing. I know that I've actually had this Fitbit for about 2 weeks now, and I've been trying to figure out when am I going to record it, and today is the day that I'm going to actually record it. So the Fitbit that I just got is the Fitbit Versa, and this one actually is super awesome. I've had the Alta previously. The other one that I had before that was really cheap. It didn't come with the interchangeable wristbands the way this one does, or even the way that the Alta did. You are able to swim in it. It has a 24/7 heart monitor. It tracks you while you're asleep. It also has a small and large wristband holder. Also, this one, the battery life, which is what sold me on this one, the battery life is 4+ days. So they got something from Samsung, some type of juice. I feel like I have to have a charger hooked onto the back of my butt just to keep my iPhone or iProducts charged. So the fact that this item has 4+ days of battery life is amazing. Let's go ahead and open it. When you get the Fitbit Versa, it comes with this little quick pamphlet. It comes with the charger. It also comes with the longer, like I told you, the bigger one for people with bigger wrists. And it comes with the regular Fitbit Versa watch, right? And this is the lighted edition. So this one does light up. As you can see, they have like this part right here that houses the extra band for larger wrists and the charger. And this is the actual watch. I ordered the white because I wanted to have something that I could just work out in, and or wear on an everyday basis, and it would match everything. So let's go ahead and take the tags off because I do want to show you guys the light. Okay, because all of the other ones don't light up. Like, I do like that this one lights up, and oh my gosh, I don't even have all the plastic off. Like, can you see that, guys? It actually does light up. That's so cool. Yeah, I do like that this one lights up and the other one didn't. You download the Fitbit app and it can sync everything from how much you run to the different types of exercises. You sync this one to your actual cell phone, that you do get the notifications on there. It lets you know when you need to like get up and walk. It lets you know like, hey, you've been sitting too long. Hey, let's get it moving. So even if you're at work, it's just like, okay, just get up and like walk around for like 5 minutes. I feel like I've let you guys know like most of everything that I know already off the bat, just because I have been an avid Fitbit user. Thank you guys so much for watching my Fitbit Versa unboxing today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. Hit that notification bell so you can be alerted every single time that I upload. Thanks so much. Have a great one. Bye.